Hello ladies and gentlemen, today with BK. Today I'm going to change out these puddle lights for the side view mirrors. It's pretty cool. I use my Chevrolet rewards to get them, but if you look, I put it on this side already. I mean, you can't even tell the difference until you open up this. So that's pretty cool, I think. And so if you watch, when you open the door, it goes with the door. And then if I put my mirrors in, it'll bring them in like that. So that kind of hides them. But you can see it's actually on the door there. So what I'm going to do is, let's get this other one on. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Alright, so I have this little, it's called the Mini Leatherman. And it uses the little tiny screwdriver there, and it's perfect for it. And you just go up in there, and you find a little clip. Well, it was a little easier on the other side. Let's see. Trying to do two things at once here. There we go. You just kind of get it going. There we go. Came out, and you'll see it has these, or it has this connection to it, and it's in there pretty. Let me put this in. It's in there pretty good, and it should be. Let me put the light down. The other one came out pretty easy. There we go. So you hand me this, and if you notice, the new puddle light is a little bit longer, and they have one side, the driver's side was purple and this side is orange. Make sure, because it says, I mean, you order them, you know, they're made for Cadillacs and GMCs. Well, I guess if I put it in there, right, we'd be all right, wouldn't we? So, and then what I do is I make sure it's right there. You can see it's in there now. So what we'll do is we'll just stick it back up in here. See if I can get some light on it there. And it snaps in. So now, we can't get you're gonna see it on the floor. This one should do the same thing. There it is. So that's pretty cool. As you can see, this door opens up wider. You can see it goes in line with the tire there. And this is another thing I got on my Chevrolet Rewards, is this rubberized hitch cover. It actually is nicer than I thought it was going to be. It is, as you can see, it really seals. Yes, and I know I haven't used the hitch yet. I mean, it's getting there. We'll get there. But for now, it's nice, because anybody that has that, you know, you get water in there and it starts to put rust everywhere. But this will covers it up, and you really almost probably need to use two hands. There it goes. You've got to get it on there. And it really seals good. So all it does is there's a rubber piece on the back side here that attaches, and then it's on there. I'll put the link in the description. If you don't mind, like, subscribe, let me build the channel, and let me know what you want. Let's comment, let's talk. Today with BK out.